everybody, it's me, Tess, with Tess Loves Yarn, and you guys, it seems like it has been literally forever since I've made a video. For those of you who are new here, I have been sick. I have been very, very sick, and I'm still sick. It's a thing, right? So you can always check out my other videos below if you want to know more about me being sick. Because I get that. People are curious. I'm always curious. Yeah, it's a thing. It's what makes us human, right? Curiosity. So, anyway, I am going to have an update video soon for all of you with this because I am going to be having a big surgery, and that was Thor, my puppy over there. I don't know what he's doing. He's like hacking up a lung or something. I don't know. You okay, Bubba? I think he's okay. That was random. I know. But anyway, I will talk about the upcoming health update in a video soon. So stay tuned for that. But today's video, oh, and just real quick, I just want to say, Vicki Keith, oh my gosh, girlfriend, thank you so much for sending me this lovely card. Look at that. Is it not cute, you guys? Oh my gosh. I was like, when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, this is such a cool card. And I love the inside even more because, you know, cancer sucks, right? And, yeah. Woo! You didn't see that. But yeah, it made me laugh. So thank you, Vicki. Thank you for sending me this. It just made me laugh. Vicki is very sweet, and I appreciate her. I have gotten some cards and things. Heather Davidson, she is a sweetheart too. She sends me cards and things, and I have some over here. You guys, I'm so sorry. My desk, I have a pile. Yeah, I have a pile over here, and I did have a card from Heather I wanted to show, and unfortunately, it would take me forever. Yeah, because, you know, I'm not perfect. Yeah. But anyway, with all that said, thank you, ladies. And thank you to everybody who has sent me a get well card. And I promise I will shout you all out on one of my videos coming up because you guys are amazing and I appreciate you. So if you are one of my regular subscribers, I appreciate you so much and I'm very grateful for you. And also for my private membership members, thank you for being there. I appreciate that too. And if you are new here and you like me, then please hit that subscribe button because it really helps my channel out, and quite honestly, I need help right now. So there you have it. Yep, it is what it is, y'all. But today we have a Mary Maxim unboxing, and y'all know how much I love Mary Maxim. And no, I'm not sponsored by them. Mary, girlfriend, if you're listening, I would love to be sponsored by you because 90% of the time I love the kit, okay? There are some little things that, you know, can send me into a tizzy, like anything in life, but 90% of the time I love this kit. So here we go, everybody. I'm pulling it out. I'm super happy. And we will see what's in this kit today. Ooh, so we have Red Heart yarn today. We have this. That is different, everybody. Get it in the camera, Tess. Okay, so we have Red Heart Super Saver, and we have Red Heart. Hello. That's hello. Let's see. Let me look. Let me take this out, everybody. Okay, so here we have two of the Red Heart Super Savers. I know y'all are familiar with this. Everybody knows Red Heart Super Saver yarn, right? It's just, it's typically what everybody starts with when they're learning how to crochet or knit. So this is soft white. It's a number 4 worsted weight yarn. It calls for a 5.5 mil hook or a 5 mil needle. It's 100% acrylic, and it is machine wash and dry, which is what most Red Heart yarns typically are. So yeah, and it is a 7-ounce ball, and it has 364 yards. We have 2 in this colorway, but 2. And then we have some Hello Gorgeous yarn. The colorway is super nice. Look at that, you guys. Super nice. And we have 2 of these. This is also a number 4 worsted weight yarn. And this one is a 5-ounce ball, which is 252 yards. Or if you live anywhere else in the world beside the US, it's 230 meters. And the Red Heart, I don't think I gave you the meters on the Super Saver, but it's 333 meters if you live anywhere else in the world. Okay, because you know the US still using that imperial measurement system. I don't know why. Anyway, the Red Heart Hello Gorgeous. Let's see if I can tell you the colorway. It's called Atlantis. And you guys, I'm brutally honest because you know I am, right? I could not use this yarn as a wearable because it is too stiff for me as a wearable. Although I do have to say, Red Heart yarn does soften up once you wash it a couple of times. And if you don't have sensitive skin like me, it probably wouldn't bother you. Yeah, because it is a really pretty colorway, isn't it? I like the colorway. But I typically have issues with a lot of Red Heart yarn. Don't know why. It just, the yarn is usually a bit rougher for some reason. I don't know. But today's pattern in this kit is not a wearable. It is a reversible tote bag. Check that out, you guys. How super duper pretty is that? And you know what? I've got to make this because y'all know I love making totes and purses and things. So yeah. You know, we have a superpower. We make pretty things out of string. Right? That's our superpower, everybody. But let me check this this pattern and see if it's difficult or if it has, it does have a front double crochet and it has a back double crochet. And for a front double crochet, you work in the front of the previous row. And for the back, you work your double crochet behind the previous row. It's not that complicated. It can sound complicated if you're newer to crocheting or if you've just never really been adventurous to learn different stitches, right? But it's not hard, and you can Google that on YouTube and you'll see there's a bunch of tutorials that'll pop up. I mean, I could even make a tutorial when I'm feeling better, but by that time you probably could just find it from somebody else, right? So the pattern would probably not be beginner friendly, I would say. Advanced beginner definitely could do this. Yeah, yeah. So you can see the stitch pattern. They give you a nice picture. Look at that. See, you can see that, how it's working in the rows, the different rows. You see what I'm saying? I know it's hard to explain with words. It'd be easier to show you, and I just don't have time for that. Hi, Thor. What's the matter, puppy? And Thor has decided to come over and say hello, maybe? You want to come say hello? There he is. There he is. Hi, baby. There's Thor, everybody. He's my baby. Yeah, he was, we, gosh, we got him really as kind of a foster dog. um, yeah, because he was not in a good situation where he was living. And that was 8 years ago. And we kind of figured out this was his forever home. So, anyway, he's been with us ever since, and we love him tremendously. Mommy will be right with you, okay, baby? Say bye. Bye, everybody. Yeah. So, you guys, that is the kit, and this is the make for this kit. And I'm thinking, oh, he just fell on the floor. I think he wants me to feed him. He's probably saying dinner time, mama. Probably. But anyway, that is the kit for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And thank you all for being here. As usual, I appreciate you so much, and I have so much gratitude in my heart for each and every one of you. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And I will give you that health update very soon. And until then, be kind and be safe out there in the world, no matter where you are. And I will talk to you all very soon. I hope. Very soon. All right. Mwah. Bye, everybody.